Like now you're telling me that your go-to song when there's karaoke, it's gonna be "Today Is a Good Day" by Ice Cube.
Today was a good day.
Can you perhaps humor us and humor the crowd? Can you just give us a nice few, maybe 2 to 3 bars from "Today Is a Good Day"?
I can't, man. I gotta read it. I don't memorize the damn song.
You didn't remember. So how were you on? Were you on point? Where was there?
I was on point because
Okay.
they had it was a legit setup. They had a karaoke setup, and then obviously they had a couple of speakers, and the screen was in front of you. All you gotta do is just grab the mic and light it up in flames.
I'm also interested in this dynamic that non-Filipinos or non-Asians have karaoke machines. That's a thing.
Yeah,
That's a thing. I mean,
how do you not know?
well, okay, then outside of our people, I don't know any non-Filipinos or non-Asians that don't have that have a karaoke machine.
Mexicans do karaoke as well.
So the Latino community does karaoke. So the party that you went to, what was the demographic there?
It was all Hispanic. It was all
okay.
Latino, yeah.
I thought it was the Caucasian kind.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Gotcha. I just wanted to make sure. You know what I mean? But other than that, what did you guys drink last night? Tequila, for sure.
Hey, we had some tequila, and I'm not a big drinker at all. So I
know those are just those bottles behind you are just for decoration.
They are still full,
really are.
Except for the Hennessy. I had 6 beers and 4 or 5 shots.
It's not bad. A 6-pack and a 6-pack and a quarter bottle. That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's actually pretty solid.
I walked my butt home next door.
Nice.
So it was nice.
Next door's fine.
Yeah.
You gotta let loose. Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always,
what's going on? Teflon John here.
Teflon Karaoke John.
I cannot.
Bro, this weather's kind of wearing me down.
It's raining over here too.
It's gloom season out here.
Yeah.
It's extra gloomy. You guys are about to get hit with some. Oh no, y'all already got hit with some snow, huh?
Yeah, but it's already melted. It's going to start snowing again next week, so who knows?
Jeez, when did the snow start for you guys? September, right?
Last week, yeah.
Last week, shit.
Yeah.
Crazy weather. Dude, we have a very busy week today for stocks.
Oh, heck yeah. Post the we actually have a busy earnings week this week.
We definitely have a very busy earnings week. Not to mention that Shiba is running.
So calm down.
Running Shiba to $50.
It's like saying AMC going to 1,000. Come on, man.
Hey, that's still possible.
It ain't gonna happen.
That's still possible.
Every time I go on Facebook or any of these groups that truly believe that AMC is gonna hit 100, 200, 5,000, 1 million. Oh my god, you guys are insane.
Are we really insane?
Put your money to work. There you go. All those months that you've wasted, holding on to AMC or GME. Sorry for my brother, but you could have put your money to work somewhere else.
That's why we're putting all our money into Shiba. I had a very lazy day today, so I didn't really do much of prepping. I'll have to do a little bit more charting for tonight. But if you guys are interested in learning how to trade stocks and wanting to know how we come up with our trade ideas, also today was a very amazing day for all of our premium members because Dead Prez gave us his prep for Sunday. So he gave us ideas on how he trades. So if you guys aren't part of our premium membership, you guys are really missing out on some very valuable stuff. And if you guys are interested in joining, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Trading blindly and not trusting the chart will leave you and your portfolio with a broken heart. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
Give that a 9.
Give that a 9. Give that a
Nice
9. Give that a 9. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up because Jonathan gives a thumbs down.
Your mama works at night.
And your name is most likely Kevin, the hater. Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. I really got to get this done. Sorry, StreamYard. I'm going to say this right there. StreamYard, if you guys really watch this stuff, if you guys really do quality control in your stuff, please, can we get some Elgato Stream Deck integration to the platform so I can just press the button and then it goes, member gains. Let's take a look at our member gains for the day. Oh, for last Friday, actually. Teflon John hit a nice $2,400 on an overnight put for Snapchat. What an amazing play!
Hey, we've had a killer September and October.
Yeah, pretty solid,
killer month.
Yeah. Rada AMD still in the AMD 1,400%, $1,400, $100% on AMD. Knowledge 166 while on vacation. I managed to eke out 1,100 from that Snapchat trade. CCI for Matt, nice good $95. Is that 95? Oh no, 275. That's 275.
CCI? What's CCI? Crown
I don't know
Castle.
what CCI is. Crown
Matt,
Castle.
what the hell you been trading, man? You doing penny stocks?
At least it's not no DWAC. It's Terry on some snow and
Terry's been on a tear.
Mm-hmm. Terry's been on a tear.
Yeah, he knows how to text me.
Andrew, $1,400 on some Tesla. Solid moves. Tesla's a monster, dude. Tesla's a savage chart. But it is very scary. So very good hit on some premium member gains. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. And the first stock that we want to cover is actually my first my stock. It's going to be Lucid. It's going to be a little bit of a fundamental trade because of something that showed up earlier. One of our good friends and members, Alex, actually showed this earlier today. Let's pull up this picture. Right there. October 24th.
Are those today, the Lucid Airs?
At 9 a.m., Lucid truck deliveries are about to happen.
So first 6 cars out of the lineup.
Yep. Yeah. First 6 cars out of the lineup. Very, very bullish news. I'm still holding on to my Lucid swing. I keep adding. I added where am I at? I'm now at 10 calls. Mm-hmm. My mistake was I did out of the money on them. My strike's 27. But it's not that bad. Not that bad at all. I'm going to show you guys where the chart is currently and what my current analysis on it is. The chart looks decent. I'm not going to lie to you. The chart, it's not going in my direction right now, but it's fairly decent. Notice this flag. So we are trending downwards quite a little bit from the highs. But what I see here is Friday's action gave us a Dragonfly Doji, right? Mm-hmm. It bounced off of the 50.
Yeah.
And we are now testing the EMA 9. So we're above the 20. We're testing the EMA 9. And as long as my rule has been like the same for this the entire time, like because of the catalyst, I am more likely to hold until it bounces off of the EMA 100, which it did, right? I've been accumulating since then, and I'm hoping for a nice payday once it reaches my strike price of $27. Currently, we're trading at around $24.11. Did we see any after hours action on Friday? It was a clean bounce, actually. It was a nice bounce. It stayed flat, but it held its gains throughout the day. So I am fairly bullish still on Lucid. and my calls expire in about 2 weeks. John,
Man, I got bamboozled out of Lucid. Really, I took I think I took a $600 loss on this one. I got stopped out and I got spooked actually. So I'll be on the sideline for this one, and because I'm a huge Tesla fanboy. So
no, yeah, I am too. I am too. But because of how the way I saw it is, think of how much gas is now. How much is gas?
I don't know, $4 here, 350, 375.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't looked at gas prices in so long, but gas, I heard it's expensive. And with a lot more EV manufacturers, I think there's going to be more adoption. Obviously, this is the right direction for a greener Earth, and Lucid is actually doing their part. We'll definitely keep this on watch. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen in the next couple of days, but that's why I bought my calls for November 5th, because they're supposed to be delivering this week or next week. Around this week or next week. So before the 5th for sure. So let's see where this all goes. I'm super excited for this to pop off. John, anything you want to add on Lucid? Did you freeze? Oh, he froze. Oh, he froze. Well, let's move on. The next stock that we want to cover is Logitech, LOGI. Logitech. Logitech is reporting earnings on tomorrow, actually. And we saw a chart that's fairly beaten down and it's been trading sideways. Personally, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I don't know what happened to him. Let's see. Does he need a new invite? Let's see if he joins back. I'm just gonna truck on here. I'm not liking Logitech's chart. I mean, we've traded Logitech a few times before, and we've won those trades when it came down to earnings. But what we see right here is a little bit more, somewhat of downward pressure. If you're gonna ask from my personal opinion, if we zoom out, right? If we zoom out. We are looking at it's not even oversold yet, right? It's not oversold yet, but we are coming across some supply chain issues potentially that can make the stock dip lower. And right here, the MACD is kind of overextended. If you're going to ask me, right there, we're probably going to see a curl down. I am going to watch this and see if we could make some puts on it tomorrow, depending on what the stock does. But currently, I am not going to make a decision right now. So let's see where it goes tomorrow. If it runs, perfect. There's more for it to come down, I feel, and we're definitely gonna see if we could place some puts on it tomorrow. John, anything you want to add on Logitech?
My bad, guys. Damn kids unplugged my router. Come on, man. Hey, guess what? So Logitech, I just bought a mouse and a keyboard set from Walmart. Yeah, it was $75. So I totally support Logitech. I'm a little iffy on this one. I don't know if I should short this one, but I don't know.
I'm looking at a put for tomorrow.
Okay, all right. So I'll follow you on this one. Yeah, I'll look into put it.
Because look at the MACD on the daily, how it's like it shot up already. It's about to come down.
Yeah,
I don't trust it at all. Okay. Right, supply chain issues. We're seeing a Bollinger Band pinch. So this has more potential to come down. The next stock that we want to cover, John wants to cover Facebook.
All right, so Facebook actually looks really weak. To be honest, this one looks like it's going to come down a little bit more. The reason being is that because of the Apple news that really rocked, ad revenue companies, like for example, Snapchat, Google, Roku, Facebook, Twitter. Google. They were all blaming Google. Yeah, they were all blaming Apple because of how they changed their privacy policies, right? And then it kind of cut their revenue. So most likely Facebook will take a hit. And it's funny because they're trying to change their name, right? What was the name change?
They haven't figured out the name change yet, but the meme was, you remember the movie, the social
social media.
Is it Social Media?
Yeah, for Facebook, right?
Yeah. So there was this one where the founder of Napster said, you should drop the. It looks cleaner. And there was a meme saying, you should add the duh. You should add the. So it's going to go back to the Facebook.
The Facebook.
The Facebook again. I don't know what he's going to do. There's rumors that Zuckerberg is trying to essentially create an ecosystem that can meld all of his companies together: Instagram, Oculus, Facebook himself. And there's going to be like, the idea is a Facebook 2.0 that is a total departure from what Facebook is currently. But we don't know. Do you really expect them? Like, do you really trust a mime to do anything? I don't trust that mime for anything. Captain Surfboard. But anyways, I personally see this as a potentially good news for Facebook changing the name Facebook, but how it's going to be implemented. Plus, they're probably going to report loss of revenue from the ads.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Correct.
So I don't like it.
Yeah. So for this one right here, watch out for the levels of support at around 317. Me personally, I like Facebook for long term. Obviously, they're going to be bigger than what they are right now. But the thing is, 317 is such a key support. And for that one, just keep an eye on it for tomorrow. Looking at the futures right now, it looks like it's going to bounce tomorrow. But earnings are a totally different ball game. And we've seen Snapchat took a dump, almost 30%. And then on top of that, like, no one really figured out why until they released, some big news about Apple's changes in privacy policy. And it really affected them when it comes to collecting revenue, because that's the only way they're going to make money is revenue. And Facebook is known for that. They're like, they can only run ads and they target people. And when it comes to ad placement, man, they target you to the T. They listen. And on top of that, they know what you're typing. They know what you're talking about. So let's say if you talk about dog food in someone's page, and guess what? Dog food ads are going to pop up on your page.
You know what? You want to hear an Instagram ad that just super funny to me, and I feel very targeted. So I'm over here scrolling through Instagram, and an American McDonald's commercial pops up. I've seen this commercial on TV, right? An American TV. It's an American. It's a McDonald's USA promotion, right? And why is it in Tagalog? Like, yeah, it's that targeted, bro.
See what I'm saying? They know they know what they're doing. So if they blame Apple for tomorrow, we can definitely see, because RSI is not even oversold. MACD looks like it's going to come down and cross the tan line. I wouldn't buy the dip on this one.
Nope.
You got plenty of downside, and the risk reward ratio on this one, it doesn't make sense for you to go long on this one or buy the dip. It's not a buy the dip scenario yet.
The level that I'm really watching this is 317.84.
Yeah,
which is where the Bollinger Band is.
Watch that one. If it pierces, that's it. I mean, that level's done. So.
And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you guys found this information useful and informative. All right. If you haven't, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because John, if they give us a thumbs down,
your mama want good night.
Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover, right? And follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, BustDownInvestments.com. Don't know where to start, just want to learn how to trade or become a part of a group of active traders that have your best interests at heart. Make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, BustDownInvestments.com. With that being said, guys, remember to let's get trading. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.